Hey guys, welcome back to the Day Daily. So today I am doing a Halloween fun clown look. This is a super cute one. I don't think this is super scary, but I also don't think it's too kid-like. So I think this one is super fun to do. I love it so much. And yeah, since Halloween is just right around the corner, I decided to do a Halloween look. I love this look actually so much. I love the green and the blue. I think it ties it all really good together. Yeah, so let's get started. But before we do that, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And go check me out on YouTube Shorts because I'm gonna start posting on there and it's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna post some awesome content on there, so make sure you go check it out. Just the Day Daily. Also check me out on TikTok at the Day Daily because I have some pretty awesome stuff on there too. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Woo, woo, woo. So I'm gonna pin my hair back just like this. I'm gonna start by removing my mascara because I'm gonna have to be putting some new mascara on anyways. So yeah, the first thing we're gonna do is a mask on my face. I'm gonna use this cream makeup. Okay. So I'm gonna take this brush and we're gonna use this white and I'm gonna do like I said, kind of like a mask.
Much later.
Guys, Halloween is so close, so that's why I'm doing a Halloween look and I'm super excited. Halloween is my favorite holiday and I love it so much. So the way I'm kind of doing this is I'm making it like a mask. Now that we have kind of the outline, we're gonna fill it in with this little sponge. So I'm just gonna take the rest of this and we're just gonna put it on with this sponge, you know? Okay, I'm leaving my eyebrow space out of the way. Yeah. I'm Santa.
Much later.
Alright guys, so now it is done. So I ended up not using this one. This one wasn't blending very well, so instead I used the Wet n Wild Paint Pot. Yeah, this works super well, as you can tell. I just use a beauty blender and you just tap it all in and it looks super good. So yeah, now I'm gonna take this white powder and I'm going to put some in my hand. Well, by some I meant a lot. I'm just gonna use this brush here, and to set the powder, it just makes it so nothing moves around and it's not as sticky. So next part is I'm going to do a lime green kind of cross on my eye. Let's do that. Okay, so I'm gonna take just a flat brush like this, and I'm gonna take green color, and I'm using the James Charles palette. I'm just gonna make an X. I actually have this green stuff. It's all damaged. I'm just gonna use a smaller brush actually for now so I can outline it first. Okay, it looks pretty good, I think. Alright, so now I'm gonna take this glitter glue. I'm gonna put it on the X and then we're gonna put this green glitter on top. And try not to spill.
Much later.
Now that is done, and I think it's actually looking pretty good. I added some darker green around it to really show that. Now it's time for the black. So I'm gonna use black face paint. There we go. So what I'm doing is I'm just I don't even know how to explain it. It just is kind of oozing down my face, you know? I don't really know how to explain how to do this part. It's just kind of making triangles on both sides. And for what I'm doing, I don't want it super straight lines. I kind of want it squiggly on purpose.
5 minutes later.
Okay, it's looking actually really cool. Now, while we wait for that to dry, I'm going to do the mouth part. Very high smile. Alright, so I'm just making this smile kind of thing. Pretty good. We're just gonna do a little circle on the nose.
Much later.
We're gonna do some glue on here. I'm gonna use this brush actually because I want to be able to get. Now the glitter is all done on this side. Now I'm going to do it on the smile and I will be back. Now we are going to do like kind of like the shading for like the mask part so it doesn't just look like this. I'm going to take eyebrow brush and I'm just going to kind of do some shadowing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line and then I'm going to bring it out a little bit. Okay guys, so now that that is all done, I did it all over my face. Now to make it look kind of like it's like on my face, I'm going to use some of this black and I'm going to put a dot there and I'm just going to do it in this spot so it kind of sticks out so it kind of looks like it's. Now we are gonna do my hair now that we are pretty much done with this. Okay, so I'm going to brush my hair first. Then I'm going to split it down the middle here, like that. Okay, well, now I have these hair extensions. Okay, well that is pretty good. We're just gonna do a different color. Okay guys, so for my hair, I have split it down the middle, best that I can see. I'm gonna take these bobby pins and I'm gonna take a chunk of hair and I'm gonna pull it up like this. So it looks a little weirder now. But now I gotta put this on here. Well, after I brush it, of course. Then I gotta take a bobby pin and I'm going to just pin it in. Yep. Seems like that worked pretty well. It's fine. Okay. Now I'm gonna do the same thing. Okay. Pinning this. Okay. So we're just gonna leave those out and tie it. Okay, and now I'm just gonna tie it up like this. Cool, and now our hair is done. Alright guys, this is the look all completed. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do this. I think it was actually a really fun and cute look. Really awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you go check me out on YouTube Shorts because I am going to start posting on there a lot more, just like I do here on YouTube. And also go check out my TikTok at the Daya Daily. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.